You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this city in Spain. If you want to learn more Spanish vocabulary and names of famous places around Spain and around that city, stay tuned. Locally in Spain, it is pronounced as Lleida. Lleida, okay? So in South America, they would say it more as Lleida, but we're talking about Spain here. Let's break it down. Lleida, da. Now in English, it's often referred to as Lleida, Lleida, but it's more open ah sound normally in Spanish. Lleida. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.